Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Crazy Designs, and today I'm going to show you how you could improve your design interfaces with this infinite rotation animation in Figma. Without much ado, let's get started. So welcome back. Okay, so firstly we need to draw an ellipse. Uh, Click on your keyboard and make it a width 266. Not necessarily fixed. It's just the width I use, right? And we need the color. Okay, yeah. So next we need an icon or something that's actually relates with the brand or the niche you're designing for. And I use this for my design. Might not necessarily be an icon. Could be the logo. Okay, we don't need this blue background, so just going to hide it. Or let's delete it. Okay, so now we need a text. Okay, let me just bring this here. We Control V. Yeah, so basically we want to first of all make the text circular, and for us to do that we need to run a plugin which is ARC. Just search for, go to your plugin and widget and search for ARC, then run it. Okay, if you run it, you just drag the bend strength a bit, not really 200%, just so that you have this space in here, it's not clogged or something. Okay, then when you click on apply, you can see this. Um, can change the color to white. Let's increase the size a bit. Okay. Now we want to animate this circle to rotate, right? So have that infinite rotation. Okay, so um, we drag it out and we frame the selection, and we duplicate into four. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we give them an angle. The group, you give the group an angle here. The first one, leave it at 0. Um, the second one, use a 90. The third one, 180. The last one, you could say minus 90 degree. Okay, so next thing we do from here is to put everything into we should create a component sense. Right now we are prototyping this by dragging this toggle here and setting our trigger to after delay to 1 millisecond, our animation to Smart Animate, our curve to linear, and our timing to, let's say, 3000. Okay, we do the same for the rest. After delay, 1 milliseconds, 3000 linear. Third one, after delay, 1 milliseconds, linear, Smart Animate linear, 3000. The last one will take you back to the, it has to be a loop, right? Take you back to the first. After delay, 1 millisecond, Smart Animate linear, 3000 milliseconds. Okay, so we go to our asset now. See, it's named component 6, our content name component 6. So we should go to our asset and look for component 6, right? Yeah, we drag that out. We copy and we replace this one here. Paste to replace. Yeah, so, and we are done. So next is to just play our, let me fit with it on height. Yeah, So there you have it. Infinite rotation animation in Figma. So if you're new to Figma, I have a beginner series course for you to guide you. If you're new to plugins, I also attach the video in the comment section in the description. If you're new to components, there's also a video there for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Stay blessed.